video is not a tutorial video, it's a review video. Few days ago I bought a herbal facial kit from online shop searchcoach.com. Today I share with all of you about this product. So let's start. There is a little tissue packet. It's so nice. It as a gift. In this kit there are 4 tubes. First I take a 1 massage cream. Start with a clean face and hands. Apply the cream all over your face, leaving the eye areas. Gently massage your face upwards, only using your fingertips for about 10 minutes. Then wash it off with water. It looks very nice and it smells so good. Then I use scrub. Gently massage the scrub into your skin in a circular motion with your fingertips for approximately 5 minutes to shed off all the dead skin cells. Then wash it off with water. Then I take number 3 face pack. Apply the face pack evenly to your face, relax for 50 minutes and let it dry. Then wash it off with lukewarm water. And last I take moisturizer. End this routine with the moisturizer to seal the moisturizer into the skin. It's so good for skin. If you want to buy this product, check out my description. Hopefully you all are enjoyed my video. If you like my video, don't forget to share, like and subscribe. And thanks for watching my video.
Sing that shit.